Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with two new DAX functions that are year and then YEARFRAC. So let's get started with the video. In this particular video, we are handling these two DAX functions, year and YEARFRAC. In previous video, I have already covered up this year DAX function, but here since we need to show you that YEARFRAC functionality, I am taking up year as well in with that particular function. So I am here taking up new column, that is calculated column. In that calculated column, first I will create a year function, means year DAX function I will use, and then I will use YEARFRAC. So clicking on new column, I will rename this particular one as year. And this, since I already having a year column into it, so I am just renaming it as year new and taking up the year function. It's pretty simple DAX function in which I will pass only one parameter, that is date parameter. So this date parameter we can pass static one also and the dynamic one also. So if we want to pass whole of the column, as it in we are having ordered date, we can pass that as well. And since I am having one static value into it, so I can just pass it. We will see that 2007 is extracted out and filled out into the each row, which is the year number in this particular data stamp. Similarly, we will go ahead and then create a new column, calculated column, by clicking on new column. In this particular new column, we will be watching the functionality of YEARFRAC. For that, what I am doing is I am renaming this column as column underscore YEARFRAC, and then I will take the function DAX function, that is YEARFRAC. This YEARFRAC is expecting three parameters. One is optional in this, so we will be leaving it for now, and two parameter is the vital parameter which we need to pass it. So first one is start date and another one is the end date. So start date we are putting it as January 1, 2007. End date we are putting it as, suppose, changing it to March, and this one we are changing it to 2, so that we should get some specific difference. So here we can see that it is whatever numbers in terms of days, whatever numbers we are getting between January 1 to 2007 and the second March of 2007, whatever days number we are getting, that particular number will be represented in the fraction format. How that number will be represented, let me first show you that what the result it is giving, and then I will demonstrate you that how that number is getting achieved. So let me click on OK. We can see that here some value we are getting into each row, that 10.16944, correct? So this one is what it is telling is that between January 1st January 2007 to 2nd March of 2007, the fraction of the year which it contains is 0.169. Now what does it represent is, suppose in right from 1st January 2007 to 2nd of March 2007, I'm opening up the calculator so that we can add into it. We can have January 1, suppose in this January month 2007 we are having 31 days into it. Then in March, February, since it is 2007, so this February month will contain 28 days only. And then 2nd March it is, so 2 days in this March. So it is becoming around 61, correct? I'm cancelling this, now 61. We have got here 0.16944. correct? So we are putting 0.16944. Now this particular value when multiplied with 360, since default value of the year it is taking up 360, it is as per the documentation of Microsoft, default is 360. So when it will be multiplied with 360, you can observe that 60.9984, that means approximately 61 days is the difference between 1st January 2007 to 2nd March of 2007. So this is how this number 0.16944 is achieved. It is a numerical value or numerical representation between the between the dates. So that was whole about this video. Hope this video you found it helpful, and if any confusion let me know into the comment section, and see you in the next video with some other DAX functions.